I'm somewhere in Yuxian County, Yangquan City in Shanxi province. We just had an awesome hot spring bath. 我走，你要给带上来了。带上了，你下次会。It has been a bumpy journey, but it all worth it. Look at this 1,500 years old village. Over 1,000 years old locust tree standing in front of the whole village. This looks like he's like a guardian. The locals make the most of the natural resources they have, so they build their own dwelling houses by rocks from the mountain and the clay or yellow earth to build their house, and lived here for 1,500 years. 现在这村里还有多少人住了？10几个人了啊。Only like 13， 太远了。
这个是在太阳那个是我是千年古村。
哦，是了，这可是真正的千年古村。This has been developed into a tourist attraction, but a few days ago, or maybe a few weeks ago, there was heavy rain, so some landslide, and it destroyed the highway coming up to the village. So we paid some people 50 RMB per person, and he drove us here. Most villagers already left this place because there was no school, no hospital, no modern convenience. So I talked to the local. They told me only more than like 10 senior citizens still live here. I'm sure they don't want to go to the city, and they probably, mostly, they want to die here. We do have electricity and water supplies here, but I believe when you live here, you have no worldly worries. You don't care about outside. You don't care about what is going on between Chinese government and the US government. They have a wood window, and all rest are stones and clay. Her bedroom, we find an old lady.
这是烧这个底火陶灰的。
陶灰。
这是暖炕的。哦，暖和。
大娘，你多大了？80几？
正80。
正80。
哦。
Two cats were napping and dried beans. We bought something from her. It's like a powder of the peppercorn. A real Chinese utopia hidden in the big mountains. You see some modern development. They build a platform and some hotels on that hill opposite to the village. See the mountain range at the far end. Beautiful. Now I'm on the observation deck across the village. You get the whole picture of the village. Bye bye. 25已经，他不能。